Hi, my name is Philip, and today we're working on an atomic structure lab. And for the materials, you're gonna need 6 sugar cookies, decorating icing, 3 different colored of M&Ms, and whipped frosting. So for the first step, you'd wanna ice the cookies. And then the second step is you'd place the protons according to each atomic structure, and then next you'd place the neutrons, and you'd use a decorating icing as the outer shell, and third you'd place the electrons. So for the first atomic structure we'll be doing is hydrogen, and for hydrogen it has 1 proton, and it also has 1 electron, and that's the first shell. For the second atomic structure, we'll be doing helium, which has 2 protons and 2 neutrons. And then we'll be making the first shell, which has 2 electrons. The next atomic structure we'll be doing, which is lithium, and lithium has a total of 7 in the center, which is 3 protons and 4 neutrons. And the first shell has 2 electrons. And then the second shell has 1 electron, which is a total of 3. So the next atomic structure we'll be working on is oxygen, which has 8 protons and 8 neutrons. And for the first shell, it has 2 electrons. And then the second shell has a total of 6 more electrons. So for the last atomic structure will be neon, which has 10 protons. And 10 neutrons. And the first shell has 2 electrons. And the second shell has 8 electrons. So this is my girlfriend Kyla. I'll be explaining what an atom is, what are the parts of an atom, and what are the subatomic particles found in an atom. So an atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains all the chemical properties of an element. The structure of an atom consists of 2 regions, which are the nucleus and the shells. The center of the atom is positively charged with protons and neutrons. The shells are made up of electrons, which are negatively charged particles that orbit around the nucleus. Most atoms contain all 3 types of subatomic particles, and it is the proton that determines which element an atom is, while the electrons determine the kind of reaction the atom will undergo.